How to resolve Google Play Store not responding errors. Go to Settings, scroll, and select App Management. Tap on App List, and then search for Google Play Store. Force stop Google Play Store. Then select Storage and Cache, Clear Cache, and Clear Storage. Next is Google Play Services. Choose Storage and Cache. Make sure to clear cache and clear storage as well. Once you're done, make sure to restart your phone and then open your Google Play Store again. Tap on your profile, go to Settings, select About. You will see the button Update Play Store. Tap on that. Make sure your Google Play Store is up to date, and then that's it. That's how you resolve Google Play Store not responding errors.